About to remove some ratchet straps so I can access my hives in the winter, and I still need to move Queen June with my other hives. And I'm going to introduce you to my new puppy. Orville Redenbarker. We're almost ready to put the bees to sleep. So I got them all lined up there, snugly together. I have corrugated plastic hive wraps have to go on, but we still have our mite strips in there till November. I know we were super late, but I don't want to be messing with mites this year. My husband's just doing a little last minute feeding there a little bit. And then we have some fondant we put on top just in case they don't have enough resources. And I insulate the top in an inner deep cover with wood shavings. But I'm going to show you all of that in the next coming weeks once we get those mite strips off. But it's a sad time of year and it's almost time to wrap up. Here we go. Wanted to just tell you about this guy. His name's Orville Redenbarker. He arrived on our property on Canadian Thanksgiving Monday, and he's a runaway stray. The owner was eventually found and she surrendered him to the SPCA, which is the Humane Society here in Ontario, Canada, OSPCA. And he's ours now. He's really sweet and he's a really good companion for Gertie the bee dog. Right, Orv? Orv. He sticks with us. This is his first time in the bee yard today though. He's really good. He's listening well. I think he's very much a mutt. I think he has some lab, he has webbed toes, German Shepherd, probably some Rottweiler, some hound dog because he has an epic howl. Right? What else are ya? He's just a really sweet guy. The second day after he arrived on the property, we tried to just let him out the door and send him on his way again, hoping he would find his mom and dad. And he just came right back, so I think we're stuck with him now, right? He's legally adopted though now, so we're not just taking someone's dog. Oh, he's very sweet. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. And he's about 7 months old right now. So he's a COVID puppy. He's a little bit of a brat. Did you like the bees, Orville? Did you like them? Anyway, take care everyone, like and subscribe! I have all these views on my videos, not a lot of subscribers, and I really want to do a big 500 subscriber giveaway. I did one at 250, so now I'm waiting for 500. And I'll do a little giveaway and send you some Canadian honey and some other things. So take care everyone, like and subscribe. Have a great fall day.
These are crazy times. No, can't you see that my heart's aglow? Ain't no trouble that can get me down, 'cause I'm busy as a bee. And there's a peace that I always find. I leave the cares of the world behind. It's not that I'm a super mastermind, I'm just busy as a bee.
Let's go for a swim. Come on. Oh, there he goes. Whoa. You're fast. Oh my. Right there, too much.